Index laws, let's hit this. Now for our first rule, we have x to the power of a times x to the power of b. We have two terms multiplying each other, and the terms have the same base x. Only when the bases are the same, we can add the powers. X to the power of a plus b. Now for our second rule, it's very similar. There's a division though, and so instead of adding, we're going to subtract. X to the power of a minus b. Now, for our next rule, we have x to the power of a to the power of b. We have a power of a power. And when that happens, we're going to multiply those powers. X to the power of a times b. X to the power of 1 is itself, and so it's just x. And so that's also the same for 7 to the power of 1, which is 7. 1,000 to the power of 1, which is 1,000. Now the next rule, we have a common misconception with most students, and they would say that x to the power of 0 is 0. Well, this is actually 1. Anything to the power of 0 is always 1. So 3 to the power of 0, 1. 1 million to the power of 0, 1. Okay, so for our next rule, we have x over y to the power of a. That is in a bracket, and a is the power for all of the things inside that bracket. So all we're going to write down is x to the power of a over y to the power of a. Now for our next rule, we have a negative power, and all we're going to do is find the reciprocal. And so that's going to be 1 over x to the power of a. Okay. For our final rule here, our power is a fraction. And there are two ways of writing this, and I'll show you both, and I'll tell you which one I prefer. So the first one, we're going to find the b root of x to the power of a. And the other way we can write this as x to the power of a, and then finding the b root of all of that. Now, I would always prefer simplifying first where possible, and so this would be the one I'd choose.